Greetings everybody, we're back again. This is Mzansi Football. We're back, we're analyzing the football games. Orlando Pirates vs Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs made it. Congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs for the Nedbank Cup winners of 2025. I'm here with
Mabena Mabemsele. I'm not happy.
Yeah.
I get to beginning because I was thinking, yo, I get to because
relax.
I'm
Yeah.
like ready to the game.
Yeah.
I lose the chance.
Yeah.
But you will the last guy is part of football.
Sure.
Makhosi Bayithathile, obvious. And we must accept it. Because today I will never sleep. Yo, like Makhosi, I understand it's just a situation. Why win? I'm happy, but I'm not that happy. But after 10 years, I'm happy for Nabi. But Rivero original substitute yao like Paris ya winner without Dido. Last year we win a game without Dido. Today Regilo Tito Tengriajiwa. What is going on about Dido? Tito must go.
Yeah.
Tito must go. I get happy. I get happy.
Yeah.
Because Tito must go. Like one without Salon.
They should do what?
Stay. They mustn't go.
Yeah.
They should stay.
Like just imagine. Like Erno Salon, we win the cup. But Muture Munyaga Abamushumis. But then Tito must go and Tito send I go Black Leopard or Chakuma Chamasangel. I'm so angry.
Yeah.
I'm so angry because Chiefs today, Ilya Patigarina, after 10 years. 10 years, Wabolela.
Yeah.
Wabolela, Uria everything. Mara, Rivero, if you want to go, even a fire, we'll find another coach because I'm not happy.
Yeah.
Like that game, I'm not happy. Today, I'm not happy. Another Pirates fan.
I'm a Parachuja 3. Skip it.
We are not happy. Like Ernoli Tito, we lose. Tito must go. We must find another opponent without Tito. Like we have someone what winner like cup Salen. No Salen, no cup. Relegi pyramids, got a mistake. Go leader, no Chiefs. We got many chances. Linkota, Urigi. We must
bro, go to Hortman chance. Hortman.
No, mina endlele ngibona ngayo igame umbe grand i-right into eshay pirate amasapu into futhi umele sibonge iKaizer idlale kahle yaphakamisa yakhola ukuthi kudala yagcina ukuphakamisa ne idlale nje kahle ikhosi into mesibonga nje ukuthi ikhosi liwinile singabi nomona yeah tanko ama mistake ani nga coach we pirate not ama player ama sub ka coach yona lezi pirate.
Thank you, Hortman. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. This is Mzansi Football. Congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs.